We have more breaking news at 6. Due to the high winds, Duquesne Light is reporting thousands of customers are without power. These photos were posted by the Shaler Township Police Department online a short time ago. It shows trees and wires down. KDKA's Chris Hoffman is in Kennedy Township tonight, where people have been sweating out the outage there. Chris, what are you hearing from Duquesne Light?
Well, at this point, it's about 15,000 people, 15,000 customers, that is, without power. Just take a look at how strong these winds are. You can see how these trees are just blowing off in the distance, and that's causing the problem. Duquesne Light says with gusts upwards of 40 miles an hour, that is causing the widespread damage. You can hear the wind probably through my mic at this point. And that's also causing problems for getting these lines back up. If they have to use a bucket truck in certain windy conditions like this, that's not safe for them to be doing. So that also delays when all of this is going to be done. So at this point, it was upwards of 20,000 customers at one point, now down to 15,000, so about 5,000 customers have been taken care of. Duquesne Light certainly has their work cut out for them. Now, if you're one of these customers impacted, like here in Kennedy Township, where at one point it was roughly almost 600 customers, what do you need to do? Well, if you can get to a cooling shelter, that would be ideal. If you have to stay in your home, try to find some of the cooler spots. That would be your basement areas, more than likely. With your appliances, such as your refrigerator, freezer, make sure you try to stay out of there as much as possible so that cold air stays in there, your food doesn't go bad. Then also try to use flashlights. If it gets to a point where it gets darker, we get into the evening hours here, use flashlights, don't use candles, because then that can become a hazard and open up a whole new can of worms you don't want to get into. If your power is restored quickly enough, check your freezer and your fridge again. Make sure all the food's in there, they didn't spoil, and don't cause any issues there. Again, 15,000 customers without power at this point. Duquesne Light is working to address it. Again, with these winds coming through, that makes a little bit more of an arduous process for them. We'll keep you posted as we learn more and when the lights get turned on for everyone. Live in Kennedy Township, Chris Hoffman, KDKA-TV News.